Fire ants are distinguished by visible mounds, aggressive swarming, and painful stings that require species-specific control tactics. Fire ants build dome mounds of sandy soil that can be very numerous in yards, and they swarm when the mound is disturbed, unlike many biting ants that nest in wood or under mulch. To identify them, look for loose, granular soil without a central entrance hole, and for aggressive workers that sting and leave pustules. Contrast that with foraging trails or flattened nests of other species. For control, start with the least disruptive option. Apply a granular pyrethroid barrier around property perimeters to reduce incoming workers, following label directions for rate and timing, and avoid application before rain. Use targeted ant baits containing spinosad or insect growth regulators placed along foraging trails, not on mounds, and allow foragers to carry bait back to the queen for colony-wide suppression. Expect baiting to take several days to weeks to show full effect. For established mounds, combine a direct mound treatment with a contact insecticide poured or injected into the mound, plus follow-up baits to capture surviving workers. Always wait until after dusk or early morning, when foragers are active, and follow safety precautions for pets and people. Long-term habitat changes matter. Remove dense ground cover, replace organic mulch with inorganic rock or landscape fabric, and fix irrigation to reduce moist nesting spots, because drier, compact soil is less attractive to fire ants. Common mistakes include disturbing mounds with hose or water, which causes massive swarming and increased stings and can split colonies into new satellite nests. So instead, use baiting first or apply labeled contact treatments carefully. Another mistake is using only a single tactic, such as barrier sprays without baits, which reduces surface workers but leaves queens alive. Combine barrier treatments with colony-level baits for better control. A third issue is overwatering lawns and leaving mulch or thatch, which invites nesting. Correct irrigation schedules, rake thatch, and install weed mats or hardscapes to remove habitat and reduce reinfestation. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and tools relevant to yard pest control projects and landscape modifications that reduce nesting habitat. We host a discussion community where we and other users share experiences, product recommendations, and contractor referrals to help both homeowners find work and contractors find projects.